$50 an hour for this. Cameraman.
For starters, with these, that I can actually get in there, but we're gonna do those too.
Okay. So you're doing each shelf, right?
Yep, you know, all the way around.
Nice.
Because if we can't get this tape behind there, then you definitely need that. So then now, the next step is to go around the whole inside perimeter. Roll the box player. This is our CYA tape. Cover our ass in case our masking job isn't good there. So
That's
we can
a
show
bad
this.
job.
Like if paint slips in behind there, it's gonna hit this stuff, not the actual cap. That's like the whole purpose for putting this stuff in. It's kind of an extra step. A lot of people don't like to do it, but we're the best, so we do it this way. So we want to do the full perimeter. Well, we're not going to do this because it's like open.
Right. Take that edge.
This is a little weird up here. Look, you got like a big gap. So I'm not really worried too much about that gap. And sometimes you give up on the tape, like it's all messed up here. Now we're trying to mess with it further. Alright, so first we run that whole perimeter. Now next we want to always do the sides first on these. We'll see if we can even get this in here. It's pretty tight. Sometimes you can't. This one we can't get it in there, so we're good.
Oh yeah, that one worked out. Nice.
Alright, so we want to. It's gonna take 9 minutes to do.
We're already at 3, bro.
I'm like halfway done. It was like 6 minutes or something. So these ones are a little bit more complicated. This got a little messed up here. Okay, so you want to do these sides first, especially with these cabinets where they don't have much of a lip. Oh, sorry. You're sneaking around on me there.
Right.
Yeah, these ones are a lot harder with this lip shit.
Right.
Yeah, so yeah, you might want to watch how I'm doing it here. That's what I'm about to be doing.
Nice.
So you gotta fold it. Well, semi-fold it. You can't really fold the sticky. Yeah, I need to invent something that like creases the tape like this. Huh? So we got that crease, and we want to set it on there. We want to leave some space there too. So it's, like we got that purple there. It's gonna help us out. We gotta just make sure it's sealed in. Top. We gotta watch out for like stuff like this. We don't want. See how this is like?
Yeah.
It's a little sticking out a little bit too far there. I'll push it back some. Make sure that's sealed in really good. So that's good enough there. And sometimes if this is really small, we'll put some extra tape there.
Add that on there.
So it'll be a little easier to stick put our paper on here next.
Alright, I gotta go. I'll remember.
And always put this thing down somewhere it's not gonna fall. You don't wanna hit the floor with this.
And dent all those
bad.
teeth.
Won't mess up the floor more than anything.
And mess up the floor, yep. That's right.
Now we're just gonna go around the perimeter again. That might be a little too big in here.
I'm sleepy.
Is it boring watching?
No, I'm learning, so, but I'm sleepy.
When ain't you?
Right.
When you're sleeping?
When I'm sleeping. That's right. Yeah, Mr. Joe. Hell yeah.
This one's still for 1 second.
And then we just wanna go over this and make sure it's sealed in good everywhere. Like you don't wanna leave too much stuff like that. So you don't wanna push on it too hard. You're gonna start pulling it off. All right, that is how to mask an opening without much lip.
That looks really nice compared to this bullshit. Those are bad.
How long was he at?